In the book Man, the Image of God, that was written by Dr. Noskov Osen, the former president of Loma Linda University. The book is titled Man, the Image of God. Man, the Imago Dei. The image only has value because of its object. The faculties of the image only have meaning and sustenance and value and essence only dependent upon the designer, the sustainer, the creator. When the image loses its line with the object, it ceases to have the power and the strength to stay the way it must stay. It loses its value. Talking about the loss of identity which man has experienced, Noskov Osen writes to say, ours is an unusual age. Its uniqueness is composed of a great number of elements which in turn define and describe it. These elements become signs of the times and urge us to reflect anew on God and man, creator and created. And he says, they oblige us to contemplate and define the Christian world view. Because that is the best understanding we can have of what God is, or who God is and who man is. God as creator, man as the created. God as the possessor, man as the steward. And he continues to say, our age has seen an unparalleled increase in knowledge and has accomplished unprecedented scientific achievements. Our world has grown smaller. Issues and events that previously were known only locally can now be known worldwide. The power of the atom has opened the nuclear age and is forcing mankind to reevaluate the basic moral and spiritual realities of his existence, his identity on this planet. And he says our age is paradoxical. It's an agreement and a disagreement itself. How? It is one of opportunity, one of progress, one of expansion, peace, a desire for peace and prosperity, an age of equality and liberty. But at the same time, when we desire these things, our actions produce the opposite. Because in as much as we are the image of God, we are not reflecting the actual image God intended in the very beginning. And so there must be a rediscovering, there must be a restoration, there must be a redeeming of all us, that we must reflect the image of the Creator. We seem to experience a painful ambiguity that assails most human activities. Man who has lost his identity appears to live his life in a vicious circle of uncertainty and fear, which leads us to our lesson this evening. Man lives his life in a vicious circle of uncertainty and fear.